Hello, thank you for joining us on ERi-TV. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at exactly 10:30 p.m. The following are the top stories for this evening. Message of President Isaias Afwerki. 45th anniversary of the launch of the Hafash radio. North Korea's Kim Jong-un orders military to prepare for possible war. South Africa flash floods killed 21 people. President Isaias Afwerki extended heartfelt New Year wishes to the Eritrean people inside the country and abroad in connection with the New Year 2024. In his address, President Isaias reflected on 2023 as a challenging year marked by man-made and natural calamities, crises, and armed conflicts at regional and global level. President Isaias commended the Eritrean people for maintaining their unity, harmony, and stability amidst these difficulties, thus preserving their peace, stability, and sovereignty. The president also highlighted the resilience and triumphs of Eritrean people in overcoming this challenge. Looking forward, President Isaias expressed hope that 2024 will offer enhanced prospects for sustainable development. He concluded his message with warm wishes for a Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. The 45th anniversary of launching of the Hafash Eritrea radio has been observed today, 31st December, at Abraha Bahata School of Visually Impaired. Mr. Girmay Berhe, Director General of the Radio Department, delivered an extensive briefing at the event. He outlined the historical background of the Hafash, highlighting its evolution as a primary information source, the challenge it faced, and its significant contribution to the armed struggle for Eritrean independence and subsequent national development programs. Mr. Geresgiher Gebreyesus, the school's director, emphasized the importance of the Hafash's launch, describing it is as a beacon of good news and victory for the Eritrean people. He expressed his appreciation for the decision to commemorate the radio's 45th anniversary with the students of Abraha Bahata School for the Visually Impaired. Veteran journalist Mr. Asmarom Habtamariam also provided insight into the history of the Hafash, underscoring its pivotal role and contribution during the armed struggle for independence. The event featured various programs that showcased the significant role and contribution of the Hafash throughout its history. Stay tuned for international news after a short break. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un wrapped the year with fresh threat of the nuclear attack on Seoul and orders for a military arsenal build-up to prepare for a war that can break out at any time on the peninsula. This is according to state media report today. Kim lambasted the United States during a lengthy speech at the end of the 5-day of year-end party meeting that set his country's military, political, and economic policy decisions for 2024. The meeting announced plans for further military development in the coming year, including launching 3 more spy satellites, building unmanned drones, and developing electronic warfare capabilities, as well as strengthening nuclear and missile forces. This is according to the official Korean Central News Agency. Pyongyang this year successfully launched a reconnaissance satellite, enshrined its status as a nuclear power in its constitution, and test fired the most advanced intercontinental ballistic missile in its arsenal. At the meeting that ended yesterday, Kim accused the United States of posing various types of military threats and ordered his armed forces to maintain overwhelming war response capabilities, according to National News Agency. Flash floods killed at least 21 people in the small town of Landsmith in Natal Province, South Africa. As of Friday, 29 December 2023, a total of 21 bodies have been recovered, said police spokesperson. The flood hit the town of Christmas Day, destroying about 1,400 homes, with the death toll expected to rise as an unconfirmed number of people were still missing. Search and rescue teams have been scouring rivers to recover bodies, the spokesperson added. The operation was expected to continue throughout the weekend. One family in Ladysmith was preparing to bury 7 of its relatives who were killed when flood swept their vehicle into the river. Now we have a quick recap of the top stories. Message of President Isaias. 45th anniversary of the launch of the Half-Life Radio. North Korea's Kim Jong-un ordered military to prepare for possible war. South Africa flash floods killed 21 people. That was all with the news for tonight. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year.